Hi, my name is Thomas. Today we teach you how to replace your cartridge from the system. First of all, you need to take out all the filter from the system itself. So you take out the filter. After you take out the filter, the true filter you need to take out. Okay, so remove this one. The one you have is already been used, so for our case it's just a brand new. Okay, so you need, first of all, you need to install the filter one. Filter one, if you purchase, is a fluoride filter. You just take the casing itself and hold on the bottom and hold these cartridges and screw it. Use your finger and twist the filter and tighten it. Try not to use this way. This way you can do it, but sometimes some customer may over tighten it. So you try to use finger. Once you tighten, stop. Okay, so after you tighten, you stop. Then the first filter casing you cover back. When you cover back, you just leave it empty because you need to flushing the filter number one in 5 minute times before you install back. So you put some water inside the casing, maybe half, 50%, and then you close it back and tighten it up. So after you tighten everything, turn on your water supply and let the fluoride filter go through number one, and this is empty. Let the water running for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it's already done, then you take the filter number two. Filter number two, you just do the same thing. Unscrew the casing and use your finger and tighten the filter into the casing itself. So please make sure you use the finger to twist. After you already formed and connected everything, alright, then push 50% of the water, about half of the casings, and then you just cover it back to release all the air trapped from the casing. When you completed, turn on the water supply again and let the water running about 50 to 20 minutes to rest the water conditioning the filter. After that, it's good to use. Thank you for watching.